Hi, welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. So in this video, we need to solve this question and find the answer here. We have under root 50 plus under root 8. We can never add the under roots like that. How do we do then? We know what is 50. 50 is actually 2 times 25, right? Plus what is 8? 8 is 2 times 4, right? So if I have 25 here, 25 is nothing but 5 square. And if I take it out from under root, it will become 5 under root 2, right? 4 is nothing but 2 square. If I take it out, it will become 2 under root 2. Now you can add them because under root 2 is same. Or you can say if I take under root 2 common from them, I will get 5 plus 2 left. What is 5 plus 2? 7. So it is nothing but 7 under root 2. But now we will look at our answers. We need to answer among them. So that means I want everything inside under root, right? So here, if I take this 7 inside the root, it will become 7 square times 2. What is 7 square? 7 square is 49 times 2. And 49 times 2 is 98. So our answer is D, 98.